Imagine this, you spent months finding the right product, writing descriptions, and uploading polished listing images. But then you scroll through social media and see your competitors' ad videos looking 10 times more premium than yours. And if even you think their ads look better, your customers probably do too. I've noticed most e-commerce sellers make these 3 costly mistakes when turning product listings into ads, and they end up with high CPA and low click-through rates. First, flat, static visuals. A lot of sellers simply run ads using their white background product photos. That works on an Amazon listing page, but in a social feed, it becomes invisible. No lighting, no motion, no depth, it just looks cheap. You don't need to reshoot anything. With URL to video, just upload your product, choose the platform you want to run ads on, pick the AI model, and it automatically creates realistic lighting and matching scenes. A flat listing image instantly feels like a premium brand ad. Second, messy visual focus. A lot of sellers overload posters with promo text, badges, and decorations, but that often hides the product itself. Remember the 80% rule used by strong e-commerce brands: your product should always dominate the visual focus. Third, weak endings. You finally grab attention and then the video just ends. No call to action, no next step, that's wasted ad spend. It's simple. We just used URL to video's image feature to generate high converting listing visuals, then switch to the video feature to turn them into polished ad creatives. From listing to professional video ads, all in one workflow. If you want your product visuals to stop looking cheap, try URL to video today through the link below.